In this video, I will show you how to create registration form and how to validate your input, your data in registration form. So for that, go to new file, go to Java applications, go to next, and type your registration form, right? Then click on finish. Now your project will be created with name registration form, and this is your main method. Go to project registration form and right click on this source package. Within that there is registration form, and right click on this registration source, this registration form package, and go to new and create new JFrame and give registration form registration. Right now click on finish so that you will get one form where we can create our registration form by drag and drop. If you want by coding, then it is also possible, but for easy and time save purpose we are using JFrame directly because it is available here. Drag and drop this one, right? Drag drop and right click on it, go to set default size, right? Next set layout, absolute layout, right? So on clicking this one you will set absolute layout, and you here there are lots of properties so that you can use palette, open palette, and use panel, right? Drag here and drag it like this. Right click on it, go to properties, change background, change background to black, right? And take label and edit text registration registration form, and right click on it, go to properties and change your foreground color of your text white, and increase the size of your font size. Right here is font, so go to font and change bold size, right? So this is our registration form. Now to create registration form we need to have name, right click on it, copy this label, copy and paste it. Copy, paste, paste it. Now edit text, student ID, student name, phone phone number, department, copy it, paste it, drag it. Now department, phone number, phone number, email address, sorry, email address, current address, father name, father name, address, right? So now right click on it, go to properties, increase font size 24, 18, and use bold, and then bold, font size 18. For each and every name you should write like this: bold 14, 18, right? To write our name or anything, we use panel, J level, right? Bold 18, bold 18. Now to take input from user, you should use text box, right? There are lots of things, so you should choose one of the one of the list from these all available, that is we need is text field, right? Text field, we need text field. So we will text field, we'll copy this one, right? I'll copy I will copy no I will go to properties and I will use font size bold and 14. Then I will copy this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Department align it with same position and and address. So delete this one, right? Edit text, remove this all text, remove this all text by going right click and edit text. Just you remove this all text field and remove this one, remove this one, right? Now after creating your registration form, you need to take input from this field and you need to validate your text. For that you use SID for student ID, for student name change yes name, right? And phone number use yes phone student phone number, and for this use yes yes debt department, and for again double phone number, so I will change this phone number to something department phone number city, right? Now I will change this to your city email father name to F name and address to ADDR address. So after taking input, you need to submit your details. For that you need button, right? Button, I will use two buttons to submit and to clear data. Got it? So sorry guys, edit text, submit, and this is for clear. Clear. Increase your font size 24, and this also increase the size to 24, and then now erase. Right. So for this, first of all, you just select this all, and right click on it. Where it is not going. Select this all, and no properties, right? So this is what we did, right? So for this, what you do means on submit, it should validate your input, right? For that, go to submit and go to events, go to action, and go to action perform. Right now your cursor is on here, and now here you have to take input from your form, and you have to check. I'm clicking here because you take string id, that is student id. From where we need to take me from yes id dot get text to string, right? I will copy this one and I will paste it here, because in we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we have 8 input field. That's why I will paste it 8 times, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this is yes name, student st name, student name is equal to, from where we need to take yes name, right? And next phone number. For phone number, yes phone, and you store in phone, right? And for department, use department, and then yes debt. The next is from city, right? For city, use city and city, no city, yes city, right? Then email is equal to, from email, and father name is equal to fname dot get text, and at last address is equal to yes addr address dot get text dot toString. Now after doing this, what you have to take means you have to validate your each and every field, whether the field is filled or not. If user not input anything in this field means you should say that you should enter student id. Without student id we won't go furthermore, right? For that, if condition id dot contains, it's better to equals, right? If id dot equals null, nothing, then what do you have to do? You have to say that joption 10 dot show message dialog is null, message id is mandatory, right? It is showing error here, so for this you need to import this package. So click on it and it will show this, right? And for each and everything, just you copy this one, and if it is equals, then it will check next, that is st student name, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Now we should say first name, student name, student name is mandatory. After first name, phone, after phone, department, after department, city, after city, email, after email, what's that, father name, and after father name, address. This is more. Now we should say phone is mandatory and department is mandatory, city, and email. Without email you can't able to register your form. Father name is required, right? Required, and then address is mandatory. Now Now what it will do means, if you run this program, if you run this program on clicking submit button, it will show ID is mandatory. So run this file and it will show a form, right? See, this is a form, this is a registration form. So now without, see, it will show ID is mandatory. On clicking it will check another one, and student name is mandatory. If you click phone is mandatory. If it check device is mandatory, and it will check city is mandatory, and again image is mandatory, and father name is required, address is mandatory, right? So if you enter this one, but student name is mandatory, and it will check each and every button, and it will show message. If you enter something, some values here, right, like this, then it won't show that message. Now you are able to register your details on your database. With the help of this registration form, you can able to address this one. Now you have to clear these all. If you enter your wrong details, so to clear these all things, you need to give action to clear button. So now our main intention is to clear our values, whatever user values enter here. If it wrong means we have to clear by this one, right? So for this, we need to do is go to design and go to clear button, go to events, go to action, and go to action perform. And now this is your action. Now here, what you do means, now this string id is already there. id dot set text. No, not like this. Use this string dot string sid dot set text, where I have to set that text means sid, right? So for that, I just need to do is sid dot set text null, right? And name dot set text, you have to create null, and phone student phone dot set text null, depth dot set text null, and sct dot set text null, sorry, use your capital letter, and email dot set text null, and then edit your address dot set text null, right? Now run this file and check it out. Run this file and check it out whether the form is working properly or not. Use some values here, use values, and see on submitting there is nothing, right? If you clear this one and just type it without values, you try it, it will show address is mandatory, right? So that if you without values this you check means it will show city is mandatory. So this is how to validate in this, and address is mandatory. So these two field you didn't enter values in these cities and address, so it will ask for address is mandatory and city is mandatory. Okay, so for this, if you want to clear these all values, just click here, clear. Sorry, what I did here is, sorry, just take these things and put it out here. Now it will load, right? Because previously I did some mistake there. Values here, see. Now I'll enter values here, values, some values, whatever you got your details, right? After submitting the details, submit, right? It will say if it contains values, and then it is able to save your data in database. If you want to clear these fields, means just click here, and here just use app name dot set date. Set date null, right? Now run this file. Use id 1234 like that, and name become phone number 8297221916, department CSE, city Tirupati, and email address email@gmail.com, other name xyz, address tpt India, India, right? Submit. It will say nothing. If clear means everything will disappear. So after success, then you just have to write here J option, J option 10 dot show message dialog null, comma, calibration. It is not responding, so wait for some time. Let it respond soon. Let it respond soon, and we'll see for next. Right? Validation success. Here else, right? Now what we'll do is we'll use this and this here, and check it out, right? Check it out once whether it is working properly or not. Let's check it out once. So let me increase size. Now let me enter values. Yes, it is 101, 102, and student name Pritam, phone number 8297221916, and department name CSC, CT, TPT, email address email@gmail.com, father name FZ with your father name, address, right? On submit, it will say validation success, right? If there is no input in your any field, then it will show right. ID is mandatory. Phone is mandatory, right? So this is how it is working, and clear your data all these things. 102 return 8216 C email @gmail.com, and the father name and address Tirupati, right? So if you want more videos, then subscribe my channel and share it to everyone, to your friends or to your relatives who want to learn coding in Java using NetBeans to create some application on this application. If you want some more information, then comment below, then I will respond to you soon. Okay guys, thank you for this video.